the students get out of it is probably more valuable than any book we can put in front of them, because they're going to learn. For the electrical aspect, to understand the batteries and how we step up voltage and balance the batteries, I think it does a really good job on those concepts. It's easy to understand, easy to see the wiring. The students clearly learn because they were able to go right into your rally and figure these problems out within a reasonable amount of time.
What I like about the way that you structured it is I can put 2 or 3 kids on the battery box, 2 kids on the dash panel, 2 kids on the low voltage panel, 2 kids on the motor controller. The kids don't learn all of it, but they're learning the same things just in a different capacity. And that's what I like about it. I set it up on different tables so they're not crawling all over each other. It's not a trainer. It's an actual vehicle.
I think the basis, the chassis is designed safe. I mean, it's got basically a roll cage built in. It's a solid chassis. It's simple to get in and out and access all the components. Easy to see the components.
Absolutely. I just think the way that you guys designed it makes it easier for us to teach it. Every teacher I've talked to, I've said, hey, this is if you're interested in getting into EV, this is a great project.
Hands down. Hands down. If you can get the financing for it, get that thing. Get it out. Show it to the public. Get it to car shows. Get into parades. Take it to the drag strip.
I think so. I think, like I said, you're not going to find anything that I've seen like it. It's simple enough, safe enough for a high school level to get involved in. It's switch or nothing.